Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And who are we painting today?
Punxsutawney Phil.
Who?
Punxsutawney Phil.
What's that?
He's from Groundhog Day.
Oh, this is a Groundhog's Day painting that we're doing. All right, well, what do we need to paint Punxsutawney Phil?
We need light brown, dark brown, black, white, green, and yellow.
Okay, let's get to it. All right. So first off, we'll start right here in the middle, and he's going to be wearing a top hat, so we want to make sure we don't go too high. We'll start kind of right here in the middle. Something like that. Good. All right, and we're going to go ahead and do an ear here. They don't really have very big ears. Good. And then another little part of his ear right there. And then kind of the same thing on the other side. Good. Okay, so let's do his hat. And that's just going to be a little top hat. So you kind of make something like that. Nice. Okay, and then come up here and across. Good. And then back down. Okay, and sometimes there's a stripe, like they have like a ribbon or something. And this will make a little bit more sense once we color it, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. All right, let's do his nose. So his nose is going to be right here. And it's kind of like a triangle with rounded corners. Good. All right, and then come down here. And up. Okay. And that. Good. And then he's got big teeth. They're kind of got teeth like a beaver. So we'll do this. Nice. And then he's got two teeth, so all we have to do is put a little line here. Okay. And then what he's got is a bow tie. Good. And another one over here, kind of looks like a butterfly. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna have, because he's coming out of the ground, we're gonna do the ground right here and just give it a little bit of waviness to it so it's not straight across. Good. And then we're going to come down here and start a little bit further. So further than this line, and you're going to come over here. Like that. Very good. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we'll just do like some little bit of grass. Because that's the thing, he's trying to check out if it's going to be spring if spring's coming up or it's going to be a little bit more winter. So we'll put some grass here. And I'm going to do a flower right there. Good. And so what I'll do is I'll just I'll make the flower right here. And then you can put as many petals on it as you want. I'm going to just do something like this. Nice. Okay. And then, here, we'll do even maybe a little bit more grass down here. And again, you can kind of just do as many of these as you want. We'll just kind of work our way across the bottom here. Kind of make them in different directions. Good. That's probably all I'm going to do. Okay, and then let's finish our dirt mound. So we wanted to draw these first so that it will look like it's going behind it. So we want to go down and around like that. Good. And same over here. So I want it to go behind my grass. And everybody's is going to look a little different depending on how you drew your grass. Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. And then now, obviously, let's finish his body. So now we want to bring him all the way down to his dirt pile. Okay. And then lastly, we're going to give him like a little bit of a belly. So it's just kind of like a half moon. Something like that. Good. Well, I think it's time to fast forward and bring Punxsutawney Phil to life.
Yeah! Back from fast forwarding, and we want to add a little bit of pink so we could do like ears, because most ears are pink.
We forgot to say pink at the beginning, so we added pink. Well, what else did we do with these colors? Because we did a few things with these browns.
So we mixed some of the black with the dark brown to make even darker brown for the ground, for dirt. And then we had the regular brown that we didn't mix for this. Yep. And then we used the light brown for the tummy here.
Well, I think it came out great. What else do we have to do?
Our signature.
Right. Well, we want to thank everybody for joining us again on another video with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting Punxsutawney Phil, and we hope to see you next time.
Happy Groundhog Day. Bye-bye.